Okay, I'm just getting real here. It kind of feels like snot on your leg, and if you don't like that feeling and you're gonna get sick from it, steer clear of this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to start filming this review for you guys. I just got this in the mail. And for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you saw me unbox it on Instagram. But this is the Intuition F.A.B. So this is a razor and it shaves safely forward and backwards. That's what F.A.B stands for, forward and backwards. And here is what came in the packaging. You get this really nice razor and then it tells you what this razor is all about. And I got this through an app called Influencer. You take quizzes and then if you qualify, they will send you boxes based on your quizzes that you've taken. This is like my third or fourth box from them. So this says that you can safely shave it forward and backwards. And it says for optimal shave, use Skintimate Shave Gel. I have a confession to make, you guys. I don't use shaving gel, and that is because I always get razor burn when I do. But if I just shave when I'm in the shower, I never have a problem. I never get razor burn. It's just how I've always been. So I'm not gonna use shaving gel, but I will test this out for you guys, and it'll take about a week, and then I will give you my thoughts, which should be next. So for you, it's not gonna be a week. It's gonna be like 0.20 seconds. Anyways, so here are my thoughts. I have been using it for about probably like 2 months, honestly. I didn't think I was gonna like it for several reasons. I didn't think it was gonna work. I thought it was going to cut me I mean, you're essentially doing this when you shave. And I thought that meant, I mean, in my mind, I was just like, there ain't no way I'm not gonna end up cutting myself. There's no way. Well, I didn't cut myself, and I actually ended up really, really liking it. It's easier to shave my legs with this because I don't lose track of where I am. As you guys know, I said in the beginning of this video, I don't use shaving cream. I always get razor burn when I use shaving cream, so I just essentially, when I'm in the shower, I shave when I'm in the shower so my legs are wet. So I shave with water and a razor. And what it does is I don't lose track of where I'm going because I shave up and then I go down that same line and move over and shave up and down, and I don't lose where I am. And so I have had less missed places when I get out of the shower, less missed hairs. So that's been nice. But the other thing is too, it does have like a handy handle. I like how big it is. But, oh, this is what I didn't like. For some odd reason, and maybe it's the handle size, I kept dropping it when I'd go do the back of my leg. And maybe that's just a user error, maybe it's just me, but I don't think I drop my regular razor when I do that. I actually don't. I tried it with my regular razor. I know I don't. The white, I don't know what you call that. They're like gel stuff that they put on this. The first few times when you use it, it has an interesting texture. So if you're a texture person and you can't like, okay, I'm just getting real here. It kind of feels like snot on your leg, and if you don't like that feeling and you're gonna get sick from it, steer clear of this. If that feeling doesn't bug you, then it's gonna be a great razor for you. I hope that made sense. Would I personally go out and buy this at the store? No. And the reason is because it works like any other razor. Yeah, I wouldn't go out and buy this at the store because it works like any other razor could work and does work. The only thing is that it goes backwards, which if you do have like stubborn hair that like grows in all different directions, you may like this, because I do have a few of those hairs in my armpits especially, that the backwards and forwards motion actually did get them a lot easier than with just a regular razor. So that's that thought, but a regular razor can get them, it just takes a little bit more work. So if you just want the ease of just being able to one and done, this is probably something that you're looking at, something I would check out definitely. Okay, so I just looked it up. This packaging with 2 refills, so that means you get one and then you get one to replace, is 10 bucks off Amazon. It primes. So if that's something that you want to invest in, that honestly doesn't seem that bad. And it lasts a long time. Like, this is still probably good for me for another month. So that's 3 months worth. Then again, guys, I will say I don't shave every day. Or I don't. I just don't shave every day. I am the type of person that I will get in the shower and wash my body off every day, but I will not shave every day or wash my hair every day. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful and useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as subscribe here. If you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, you should subscribe so that I can continue to make more videos. Follow me on Twitter so you guys can have a say in what is being posted. Everything is Polished Superstition, except for Twitter is LC Polished. And that is because Polished Superstition did not fit. Someday I will take it to Twitter and demand it to fit, but it did not fit. It is too long of a name. Okay, guys, I think that's it. Anyways, as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.